Hi there, today we'll be talking about place values. Before we get started, let's look at number 12 and break it apart and understand what each part is and what it means before we talk about place values. Well, if you look at number 12, it's made of two digits, 1 and 2. So digits are part of numbers. Now, where the digits are located in the number, that's what matters. That's what gives it its value or worth. So now let's look at this. Number 12 has 2 in the ones column or position. So I write 2 there. We have 2 ones. Now, in the tens position or place, that's where we say place value. The value is 1. That means we have 1 10. So if we just had 1 10 plus 2 ones, that would be 12. And by using this number 12, these two digits, we represent that. Now let's look at another two-digit number. Let's see if we got the hang of this. Now we have two digits. They make up number 26. In the ones place, we have a 6. In the tens place, we have a 2. That means we have 2 tens, which is 20. We have 6 ones, which is 6. And 20 plus 6 is 26. So that's why 26, two digits, each one has its own value. So let's look at now a three-digit number. So now we learn this is the ones position, this is the tens position, and now this is the hundreds position. 384 is made up of 3 digits, which each digit has its own value. In the ones position, we have a 4. We have 4 ones. In the tens position, we have an 8. That means we have 8 tens. And in our hundreds position, we have a 3. We have 3 hundreds. And if we break this down, we see that 300, which is 300, plus 8 tens, which is 80, plus the 4 ones, that would give us the 384. Let's look at another three-digit number. Now we have 126. Again, it's 3 digits, and each digit has a place and a value. In our ones position, or place, we have a 6. In our tens position, we have a 2. In our hundreds position, we have a 1. So now if we look at it, if we have 100 plus 2 tenths, which is 20, and plus a 6, yes, that is correct. That would give us 126. Now let's try something a little bit more difficult. The thousands. Again, let's just review the places for each digit. We have 4 digits. This is the ones, tens, hundreds, and now we've introduced the thousands. In our ones position, we have a 0. That means we have 0 ones. Tens positions, we have 0. We have 0 tens. In our hundreds position, we have a 2. That means we have 2 hundreds. And in our thousands position, we have a 4. So if we have 4 thousands plus 2 hundreds, I'm going to go ahead and write down the tens and ones position, even though it's a 0, just to show you that it will add up to 4,200. So now let's try another 4-digit problem. This time, I'm going to give you a few seconds before I give you the answer so you can practice on your own. First of all, let me just explain. We have 4 digits that make up 3,642. Now, can you tell me what is in the tens position? If you said 4, you are correct. This is the tens position. So we have 4 tens. Can you tell me what is in the thousands position or place? If you said 3, you are correct. 3 thousandths. Now, what is in our ones place? If you said 2, you are correct. And what is, obviously, the last one in our hundredths position? 6 is in our hundredths position. So let's look at it again. We have 3 thousandths plus 6 hundredths plus 4 tenths, which is 40, and plus 2 ones, which will equal to 3,642. So remember that digits are part of a number, whether it's a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, or 10-digit number. Digits are part of a number. And where a digit is located in a number is the value or the worth of that number. Now, let's review before we go that, for example, this number, 4,890, has 4 digits. We have a 0 in the ones, 9 in the tenths, 8 in the hundredths, and 4 in the thousandths. Remember, digits are part of a number, and where they're located matters. That's why place values are important in mathematics. Hope you learned something great today about place values. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.